And in this video I will tell you how you can install Woodmart child theme. So here if we go to the website, here you can see that I created the website using Woodmart, and if you want to create the website using Woodmart, then you can just go to my channel and here you can search for Woodmart, and here you can see this tutorial. I have actually added multiple tutorials so you can watch that and create your e-commerce website using Woodmart theme. So let's go back to the video, and to install the child theme you can just go to the dashboard. This is basically the folder that I downloaded from Theme Forest when I purchased the theme. So when I go to the folder I don't see the theme child theme, because generally when you purchase a theme you also get the child theme, but in Woodmart case you don't get it. So just go back to the website, and to install the child theme you can go to the appearance, and I will provide the link for the child theme in the description. You can just go and download the child theme, and that you need to install in the appearance. And here to install the child theme just click on add new theme, and here upload theme, choose file. Here you can see the Woodmart child. So this is the file that you will download from the description of the video. So you can just upload this file and click on install now. And here you can see it is installed. You can just click on activate. And now let's visit the website again. And here you can see that the website is exactly same and there is no issue on the website, because the child theme actually inherits the parent theme, which is the main Woodmart theme. So this is the official theme that is provided by the Woodmart team, and you will be able to download it from the description in the video. So that's it for the video. Like this video, leave a comment if you have any question, and subscribe to my channel for more related videos. See you next time.